Yeah, hello friends, this is Jeromekeys music. So today I'm going to teach you something very special again. There is a lead line and bass line I played on one of my video. So most of you said I should do this tutorial, so that is why I'm doing this video for you today. So it goes like this. So this was a sample of what I was playing on that video. So I started this way. I'm playing on F sharp, but I'll be calling out all the notes of what I'm playing, so that for those that are not playing on F sharp, you can get it on key. It's just the same way. Look at what I was playing there now. Do mi on F sharp. Do mi do re so ti fa. Do mi do re so ti la. Okay. So now if you play it on F, you can see it sounds the same. So don't be discouraged that I'm doing my tutorial on F sharp. Okay. So you play do mi do re so ti la. You relax on your la. Do mi do re so ti la. Okay. So do mi do re so ti la. Then for the bass line, la mi so re la so re so, sorry, la mi so re so la mi. Okay. La mi so re so la mi so re so la mi so re so. That is what I was playing on my bass line. So mi do re. Then I play do mi la so ti re fa mi do la so ti re fa mi do la so. Okay. So you go. Once you want to ginger, you know when you're playing. Or you go to your high octave, so you play do mi la so ti re fa mi do la so ti re fa la so ti re fa mi do la so ti re fa mi do. Okay, that is just what I'm playing. La so is my la. La so ti re fa mi do la so ti re. Where you go to? There you can be do la, mi so ti la, mi so do la, mi so ti la, mi so do la, mi so ti la. That is just what I'm playing. Let me increase the octave so I can play. So do re, guys, mi so do re, mi so ti la, mi so do re, mi so ti la. Okay. Hope you are getting what I'm playing. Mi so do re, mi so ti la, mi so do re, mi so ti la. Okay. Do la, mi so ti la, mi so do la, mi so ti la, mi so do la, mi so ti la. That is also what I'm playing. Okay. It's just very simple. Go. Then when you go to your last sort, you go to do so on your bass line, okay? You don't play the same thing of what you're playing. Okay, is that it? I know this one will be very difficult. I hope you have learned something today. So please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you comment also to encourage me to create more content for you, okay? It's not easy, but I'm trying my possible best to make you learn all what I'm playing on my video. So just help by liking, subscribing, and share, and also comment. God bless you all.